Power-driven punch for tensile specimen. Power-driven striking point machine is the specialized equipment. This machine adopts high-precision ball screw to locate currently and uses import transducer collecting rotation signal to drive high-frequency electromagnet to strike point synchronously. Gauge length is correct, high-efficient and easy to operate. It's the necessary matching equipment for labs. Working principle: this equipment use micro motor as the power, through belt drive precision ball screw rotation synchronously, thus promote the punch movement horizontally screw rotation every circle, or half circle, impact needle marching 10 mm, or 5 mm, meanwhile sensors collect a signal and driven the high-frequency electromagnet with impact needle for striking. Motor continuous operation and can continuously strike .65 mm, or 30,910 mm.